Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel like chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah, man, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Island Style Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a cherry watermelon juice. I just harvested some cherry off this tree in the back of my yard. You can look at them. See that? Fresh cherry. I am not buying any cherry in the store. I have cherry on the tree. If you don't have cherry on the tree, you can go and buy cherry in the store to make this one. Alright? So this juice is a very healthy juice. Normally people would use water to blend cherry and sweeten it and add ginger or lime or whatever they want to add to it. But today, I'm not going to use water. I'm not going to use any sugar. It's all natural juice. It is just going to be lone juice from the watermelon and cherry and ginger. 3 simple ingredients: watermelon, cherry, and ginger. Alright, so just stay tuned and I'm going to show you what's popping in Island Style Kitchen. Okay, so this is a very simple procedure. All you're going to need is a juicer and a blender. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up the watermelon and peel it, wash the ginger. Then I'm going to juice the watermelon. Then I'm going to blend the cherry in the blender with the watermelon juice, and then I strain it out to get the seeds out. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch where I go on. Alright, let's wash off this again. Wash it off already, mate. Just wash it off again to make sure. So everything washed off. Alright.
You not plant no carnivore cities. This ride it is there for one. Me food come first. All them my pop and a pop and them said them wicked and them tough, but me food come first. Island style and utterance. Yes, they come for it. Water whipping and the morning and the gnashing and squeal. We not plant no farm, that's why we are feel. No wait on the pharmacist or the doctor seal. Be careful what you're taking for your meal. And what's the problem in the equation?
Okay, so I've done the cleaning process of the melon, peeling it and cutting it up. So now I'm going to do the juicing process. Okay?
Food come first. Heads of state, my people. Maybe gonna please this. You see the shoes by your feet. Your cologne they smell sweet and your car way unique. Would you throw water in at the tank? You not dig your grave with your teeth. Respect what you eat. Cause life is sweet.
I finished juicing the melon. Now I'm going to do the blending process. I'm going to throw the cherry in the blender and throw the watermelon juice and let it blend it out.
Baby, gonna please listen up. Oh, if we're the best, and I ain't the one. Consuming beer, starch and poison. Mother Earth.
Alright, so I'm going to start the straining process now. And here I have a nut milk bag. I bought this at the store. You go to your supermarket and you'll see these in there. Nut milk bag. I'm not using a strainer. This will give me a nice even strain. It won't take out too much of the roughage out of it, but it will take out just enough.
Them wicked and them look on the dogs and the crops say ask on them. They want a machete and a fat, me could have bust up them. I mean say you black one.
It's some fresh organic cherry, really rich in vitamin C. You know, Island style way. And people, if you're new to this channel, just make sure you give the video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Island Style Kitchen. Thank you very much.
See Island Style. them food come first. All them my pop and a pop and set them wicked and them tough. We food come first. America, Caribbean and me beg no please listen up. Oh, we food the best.
Alright, the beauty about this bag, once you pull up the string, you just squeeze out everything. Yes, people see that? Squeeze out the juice out of the bag. Take a look at time. This is the final product, people. This is my cherry watermelon juice. I got about this is a little bit over a gallon that I got out of the one watermelon. I spent $8, about $10 at the supermarket. I bought the watermelon for $8 and about $2 ginger. I picked some cherry out of the back of my yard and I get fresh, organic, healthy juice. So what I'll do with this juice now, I'm going to put this bottle in the freezer and then I'll drink these 4 over the next 3 days. Yeah? So people will say that the juice loses its quality after 3 days, but I don't care. It's better, like I said before, it's better to drink an old natural juice than to drink a soda or to drink anything them tell you, sir. You're coming at the back like a store. So natural juice, people, there it is. Yes, so this is best served over a few Cuba ice or served cold. Yeah. So people from Jamaica, it's either you know this or you don't know about this, you know. Ice in a cheese pan. It's either you know it or you don't know about it. All of you massive don't know about that. You've set ice in your cheese pan in your fridge. Let me take a sip and see what I go on in an island style kitchen. This is so refreshing. So here we have it, people. This is our cherry watermelon juice. Alright, and we use these juice, we also use them to blend our smoothies. And every time I blend a smoothie, I do not drink dairy product. I don't eat or drink dairy. So I'll use the liquid that I get from the watermelon to blend all my smoothies. Or I make almond milk. Sometimes I make my own almond milk or I make my own cashew milk. I have a video coming out soon on the cashew milk, so you guys can stay tuned. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and you learn something from it. So feel free to try Island Style Kitchen Cherry Watermelon Juice. Alright? And do remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend. See you guys on the next episode of Island Style Kitchen. One love, stay safe.
Pushing I would a killer with me, so me seed and get me product. It don't trust man son, cause me food come first.